Hello, my best friend. Welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And today I want to share with you some of our product. You can look at this one. This is our valve assembly. Yeah. If you're interested about it, please follow me. Let's check the detail first, okay? We package it with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes. On this part also with the label. This is the label. On the first line of the label is the product code. It's the logo. Yes, our company logos, Shumatt, right? If you want to design your own logos, print with your own logo, you can contact us. Because we Shumatt, we supply the customized services. We can print with your logo and design the label and package it back and so on. If you have this demand, please contact us, okay? And on this part, it's the product code F00RJ02044. Yeah, the application model number is the 0445120118 and 0445120143 and 0445120155. Okay, on the one side is secure code and other information on the label, and I will go to the inside part to see more details for our friend. Okay, this is the inside part. Also, we have the two types of our package bottle. Transparent bottles, right? During the transportations, yes, it can be better protect our product. Okay, let's open it to see the inside. Okay, wow. This is the inside part. We pack it with oil paper. This is the whole side of the valve assembly, right? And actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also sealing the separate parts. Okay, let's see about the separate parts. This is the valve cap. On this valve cap, we have the coating and also with the curved letters. It is a valve rod. A valve rod, we have different lengths, we have different sizes. If you have needs, like if you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay. Okay. Yes, so much for today's product introduction. Actually, we have many model numbers. If you are not sure about the model numbers, you can send us a product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About our product, we have a little tapes I want to share with you. The first tape, if you want to clean the spare parts, you'd better to clean it with oil, okay? And the second tape says if you want to install it, remember to make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Yes, and the valve cap can be in the right position. Okay, that's the details I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us and feel free to contact us. Except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kits, pumps, parts for the pumps. Yep. Any others, if you are interested, please welcome to follow our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye everyone. See you next time.